What's up, y'all? It's your boy Codehova from Combinator. We're pimping Swift. And just like I promised, we're going to talk about iterating arrays with the foreign loops. All right, so I created a constant variable of, a constant of favorites that includes the names of 5 different ladies. All right, these are the favorite ladies of my life, let's say. So what we're going to do is for lady in favorites, so for, this is a name that you give to whatever you want to call a single element in this collection object. All right, favorites is a collection of string values of female names. All right, so for lady in favorites, we want to print out lady. All right, so we have Tasha, Brittany, Fiona, Regina, and Gabby. All right, so again, for in, and what we do is we're going to give a name to a single element in this collection object, and within this block you could do whatever you want with it. All right, so even with so you could do whatever in here. Right now I'm just printing it out, but let's say we had expenses, and this is going to be 10, 20, 50, 100. All right, and let's say we have a variable of bank is equal to 1,000. All right, so for expense in expenses, what we want to do is bank minus equals the shorthand operator, right? We're going to minus that expense, that single expense, from the bank. So what we're going to do is we could print out the bank after all is said and done with these expenses, and let's see how much money we got. So after all these expenses, you have $820. Okay, so that's how you could run for-in loops with arrays. But there are instances where let's say this is the order. All right, this is the order of the elements that is going to be run. Tasha is going to be first, Brittany is going to be next, Fiona, Regina, and Gabby. All right, but let's say you had 100,000. All right, and you wanted to make a list, and you wanted to make sure that the list of your favorites is in order when you print it. All right, let's say we want to indicate in this printout the order that they were in. Okay, so how you would do that is this is going to be, it's going to be in a parentheses, index lady. So again, this is whatever you want to call it. You could just name it I, you can name it index, and this is the name you want to give a single element in your collection object. But what you have to do to make this be able to call out the index, the ordered index out of this collection object, what you need to do is you need to do dot enumerated. All right, so once you have that, once you have this enumerated call, you are able to pull out the index of this object. So if we want to use that, let's do string interpolation. We're going to say quotation mark. We're going to put an index, close it, and then we're going to put the period, and then we're going to wrap lady around string interpolation, and boom. As you see, we have Tasha, Brittany. It's the order we have, but with the numbers. But because when we want to print this out, like on a piece of paper, humans who don't do coding, they're going to be like, yo, why did this person name Tasha as 0? So all we need to do, man, simple. Just +1. And boom. We have the order of our favorite ladies indicated with the actual number. All right. So that is for-in loops with arrays. Let's get it on and popping next with dictionaries. Or we'll do sets first, since sets are so similar to arrays. You dig?